Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Continue with the arithmetic progression of our exercise. Now we have some more examples of more questions to find out the arithmetic about the arithmetic. Now find out 20 terms of AP whose sequence are given. Now simply you have to find the 20th term. Now first term A is given and which is in the second term, and you can find out the difference by subtracting second term. This is your second term minus first term, and this will give you minus, and minus 2 will give you 1 minus x. So now putting a in our arithmetic progression nth term formula, AP's nth term formula an plus n minus 1d. Here a is equal to 1, n is 20 because we are going to find 20th term, 20 minus 1, and the d difference is 1 minus x. So that will becomes 19. Multiplying 19 minus 19x. Now 19 plus 1, 20 minus 19x. Now this is your a 20th term. Now take another example. Next, find the 21st term of AP. Now you have to find the 21st term of AP. If its 6th term is 11 and 15th term is 47. Now here 6th term is given, that is A6 is 11, and 15th term, that is A15 is equal to 47. Now you have to find A21, that is 21st term. You have to find 21st term, that is 21. Now what will you do? You have a formula an is equal to a plus n minus n. Now for finding a 21st term, you need the first a term of AP and the difference. We will find out a and d from this data. We have given a6 is equal to a plus n minus d, that is a6 a plus 6 minus 1d, because we have the result of a6 term. So a6 term is, what is the a6 term? A6 term is 11. We put 11 here. This is 11. Now, and a we don't know, 6 minus 1, because we know that it is 6 term to n minus 6, 5d, and this is a plus 5d. This is your equation 1. Now next is 15th term. Similarly, we will go to the 15th term by like this. A15 is 47, so formula for A15 is equal to a plus 15 minus n d. Now multiplying, subtracting, we have 14d. Now 15 term is given is 47. Now I am going to subtract your first equation from your second equation. Now second equation is 47 is equal to a plus 14d. Now this is your first equation, equation 1. Now equation 1 I have written here. Now I am going to subtract this equation from changing the signs. Now this will be cancelled out. A is cancelled, and d 15 minus 14, you have 9d. 14 minus 5, it is 9d, and this becomes, when you subtract, 36. Now dividing by 36, so d is equal to 4. Now we have the d. Now your next term we want to a. Now putting d is equal to 4 in any equation 1 or 2. Now I have put it in the equation 1. Now in equation 1, 11a plus 5 multiplied by d, this is 20. 11 minus 20 will give you a is equal to minus 9. Now we have a is equal to 4 is equal to minus 9, and d is equal to 4. Now we want find out this. Now 21st term will be a21 a plus 21, because these are actually the same sequence. So a and d must be applicable to a21. Minus 9 plus 20 minus 1, that gives you 20, multiplying 80 minus 1, and 71th term. So this is the 21st term. This is your answer. Now the next question, which term of the sequence minus 5 is 75? Now you have to tell whether which term is 75 in this sequence, and if this term appears in the appears in this sequence, you will get a whole number. Otherwise, if you got fractional number, then 75 will not be the part of this sequence. Now you have to find here a is given. A is again your minus 15. Now difference d minus second term minus first term 15. So you have a 6 is the difference. Now again we have the formula of nth term a plus 9, and we consider that 75 term is the nth term. So 75 is equal to a, and first term is minus 15, and minus we don't know because we have to find the where is 75, which term is 75. So n will be n minus 1 upon 6. Now multiplying 6 taking minus 6 and minus 15. So I have transferred 15 to first, 75 plus 15, and that will give you 90. Now again transfer 6 plus, that will give you 96. Now dividing it, 6 1s are 6, and then again it will be cancelled and you will get 16 term, because there is 96 upon 6. You can cancel by 6 tables, 6 7 8 9. So 6 1s are 6, 6 1s are 6, and there will become 3 36, and 6 6 are 36. You have 16 term. So 75 is the 16th term of the above sequence. Now similarly another example of same type, B part. I will not solve the C part because they are just same. Now here we have given sequence and we have to find minus 85, which term of is this sequence. So again a is 5, d is equal to second minus first, 2 minus minus 3. We have nth formula, a plus n minus 1 d. Minus 85 is the nth term, 5, because we want to find the position of minus 85, plus 5, and n will give the position of that. Minus 3 multiplying, you will get minus 3n, and plus 3, and it will 5 plus 3 8. Now transferring to the left side, minus 85 minus 8 will give you minus 93, and this is your 3n. And now cancel the minus signs. I have cancelled the minus signs. Now dividing by 393, you have 31st term is the your required term. So this minus 85 is 31st term of this sequence. Now find the nth term of the sequence. Now this sequence is given. Now remember that in this sequence you can see the pattern. Now there are fixed numbers, square are the fixed numbers. Only moving number is 6, 11 and 16. So we will only convert this portion 6, 11 to the nth term. Other will be remain constant, so we will put them in the equation in the same manner. Consider 6, 11 and 16. So a is 6, d is equal to 11 minus 6, and give you 5, and then a nth term means a plus n minus 1, and this will give you your first term is 6 square, that is only 6, n minus 1, and difference is 5. Now you have already calculated the difference. You can see that if you didn't remember, this is your 6 1 11 16, a is 6, second minus was 5. Now putting in this formula, we have nth term of this type of sequence, 6 plus n minus 1, multiplying 5n plus 1. This is your nth term. But again we have the sequence 6 upon 7 whole square. It means this term must be squared and divided by 7, because see 5n plus 1 is only comes for 6, 11 and so on. So 5n plus 1 upon 7 whole square. This is your nth term. I have changed its name Tn. It is nth term of this sequence. Okay, good luck.